I'm the Komodo dragon of this rap game. I'm spitting venomous. I paralyze a rapper without biting. I'm so dangerous. I was never born. I will never die. No hell of paradise. Fakest rappers be biting my verse. You all parasite. Shit that I be talking when I'm getting rid of the habit of being perfect. It won't be that shocking, but I get to it verbally like prophet. I'll be like, dear mommies, I ain't got a problem in fake love, just keep the ass real. I'm being ignorant, being followed by fake rappers I kill. I can't deny, I hate to admit it, I'm so disappointed by this. Niggas is lame and you dope, but you still stick to holding grudges. A person is a person through other people. I'm Zanti. You can't keep judging me based on stories from paparazzi. With all your so-called sick and tired flows, you can blow me. Your break was 99 AOs, you ain't got nothing on me. I've been starving to be rap god, this ain't no hobby. My homies got my back that always boost my ego. And every time I drop my flows, I'm flying high like ego. Yeah, bitches be crying when I hit it from the back. I'm blazing fire when I got a bitch to bang, yeah. I'm the last dog entry chasing and gun. I'm killing sick flows on the mic for real. I'm sick cause I'm always hot. No once, twice or three times, but so many times I've been puffing, suffocating till I'm stabbing. Just throw the head cause I'm crabbing. This is the original Tyson.